Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic classics of the 1950s, the 1956 Ford H-100 Impala. This car represents a perfect blend of style, performance, and the unmistakable charm of mid-century American automotive design. When you first lay eyes on the H-100 Impala, you can't help but notice its sleek, elongated body, with elegant chrome accents and that signature front grille that immediately says American classic. It's a car that stands out in any collection or showroom, and its presence is commanding without being overbearing. Under the hood, the 1956 H-100 Impala is powered by a robust V8 engine, delivering a driving experience that was considered top-notch back in the day. The engine produces enough power to make cruising down the boulevard smooth and enjoyable, whether you're taking it for a casual ride or showing it off at a car meet. The V8 is paired with a responsive manual transmission, offering a driving experience that feels engaging and connected, something that modern cars often lack. For enthusiasts, the roar of that engine is pure nostalgia, bringing back the golden age of American muscle and luxury combined. Moving to the interior, the 1956 Impala continues to impress. The cabin offers a spacious layout with comfortable seating, upholstered in premium materials of the era. Every detail from the dashboard to the steering wheel is designed with both style and functionality in mind. The chrome trims and classic dials give the cabin a vintage feel that makes driving it feel like stepping back in time. While it may lack modern technology, that's part of its charm. The simplicity and elegance of a car built to last and to be enjoyed in a pure, unfiltered way. In terms of handling, the H-100 Impala delivers a surprisingly smooth ride for a vehicle of its size and age. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, and the steering offers a good sense of control, making it comfortable for longer drives. Visibility is excellent thanks to the wide windows, and the overall ergonomics are well thought out, keeping the driver connected to the road. Owning a 1956 Ford H-100 Impala isn't just about driving a car. It's about owning a piece of history. It's about appreciating the artistry, craftsmanship, and engineering that went into creating vehicles during one of the most exciting eras of automotive design. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or simply a lover of classic cars, the H-100 Impala is a car that commands respect and admiration wherever it goes. If you're fascinated by timeless classics and the golden age of American cars, this one is an absolute must-see. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've ever had the chance to drive or own a 1956 Impala. Your thoughts on this classic beauty are always welcome, and I'd love to hear what you think about this piece of automotive history.